Hello Odoo users and welcome to our channel. Today we will see the tutorial on Nacex Odoo Shipping Integration. This module works in test and production environment. In this video we will see company and shipping level configurations. So let's get started. As this application is downloaded from the Odoo App Store, first of all we will see the company level configurations. So for that we will navigate to settings, go to user and companies and go to companies. In companies currently we have created the demo database. So here we will mention all the general information about our company and go to the Nacex configuration. As we check this box, we will mention all this information that is provided to us by the Nacex shipping provider. Once all this information is mentioned and saved, the company level configuration gets completed. So the company level configuration is done. Now we will move to shipping level configurations. So for that we will navigate to our sales module, go to configuration and go to shipping methods. In shipping methods we have configured domestic and international configurations as the shipping provider provides the services for both the ways. So I will show you both of them. So here we will select the provider from the drop down and here is the configuration. So configuration remains the same for both of them. First we have distributed them in domestic and international means. So let me show you both of them. So here we will see the international one and here the domestic one. So the company configuration is already applicable over here, which means if we have more than one company in our Odoo database, we can select any one of them to which the domestic one will be applicable. Next is the customer agency number, customer code, which will be mentioned over here. Uh, there is the same thing for international one as well. So as we go back, there is Nacex service code. So this service code will also be present over here. There are different types of service code as per the company's request. We have configured them in the drop-down menu. Next is the Nacex courier code. So there are different types of courier code and we have selected them. Next is the packaging code as well. So there are different types of packagings as you can see. Next is the default package type and we have also configured the same over here. And internally you can also mention the size of your default packages, select the courier and mention the weight if required. So this is what is the configuration. It is similar with the international ones as well. So we have selected different types of services over here as it is the international one as you can see, and the default package type is selected. So these are the basic shipping configurations, and now we will move and see how the same goes in a practical manner while creating a sales order. So let's create a sales order. So we have two types of customers over here, one with the international one and one with the domestic one. So I will show you. The process remains the same. So I'll show you the domestic one. I will add the customer. I will add some products over here and add some quantities. Now I will add the shipping from here. I will select Nacex domestic as I am creating the order for domestic customer and add it. On adding the same, now I'll confirm my sales order. I'll navigate to the delivery order and here I will done this quantity and here is the full toast, which means that number of packages. So if I want to create more number of packages, I will put it over here. So I want 3 packages of this order and so 3 labels will be generated. And now I will go to the additional information. So first is the career information where you can see domestic selected. If you want to change any career information, you can change it from here as well in the delivery order. Next is the originating agency and tracking status will be fetched over here as soon as we validate this delivery order, and tracking reference will also be fetched. So let's validate it. The labels will also be generated over here. So as you can see, all the things are fetched over here. So first let us open the labels. So there are 3 labels generated, 1, 2 and 3. Next is the tracking reference. So here is the tracking reference. Here is the tracking expedition number. So now as soon as we go to the tracking smart button, you can track the shipment over here. Currently, as this is the demo version of the order, you might not be able to track it, but in the live version, you will be able to track it over here. So as you go back, you can see the tracking status as well, that is in transit. So this is the basic configuration that is populated over here. And now there is the cancellation. So if you want to cancel the order directly from the Odoo dashboard, you can do that as well. So the shipment is cancelled as you can see in the logs. So these are the basic shipping configuration as per Nacex shipping service. Let us know if you face any issues while you configure it for your store. Our team will be there to help you out. You can also write back to us support@vrajatechnologies.com. Thank you.